Security features: Firewall, microsegmentation, VPN, and IDS IPS. Security is a critical aspect of modern cloud networking, and VMware NSX-T provides advanced security features to protect workloads across multi-cloud and hybrid environments. In this lesson, we will explore key security capabilities including firewalls, microsegmentation, VPNs, and intrusion detection and prevention systems, IDS, IPS. Firewall security in NSX-T. NSX-T offers a distributed firewall, DFW, and a gateway firewall, GFW, to enforce security policies at different levels. The distributed firewall applies security policies at the VM level, eliminating the need for traditional perimeter firewalls. The gateway firewall secures traffic entering or leaving the NSX-T environment, ensuring external protection. Security rules can be based on IP, VM attributes, user identity, or application behavior. Microsegmentation for workload security. Microsegmentation allows businesses to create granular security policies for individual workloads, preventing lateral movement of threats. Enforce zero-trust security by allowing only authorized communication between workloads. Apply dynamic security policies that adapt to workload changes in real time. Protect critical applications by isolating different tiers, such as web, application, and database layers. Virtual Private Network (VPN) for secure remote access. NSX-T includes VPN capabilities for secure connectivity between remote sites and cloud environments. IPsec VPN encrypts traffic between NSX-T and external data centers, ensuring secure communication. SSL VPN provides secure access for remote users connecting to workloads. Multi-factor authentication can be integrated for enhanced security. Intrusion detection and prevention system, IDS IPS. NSX-T includes an IDS IPS solution to detect and block malicious network activity. Monitors network traffic for suspicious patterns and threats. Uses signature-based and anomaly-based detection to identify attacks. Automatically blocks or alerts administrators on detected security threats. By leveraging these advanced security features, businesses can enhance cloud security, reduce attack surfaces, and ensure compliance with industry standards. In the next lesson, we will explore best practices for securing VMware Cloud environments with NSX-T. Let's get started.